Hey everybody, how are you all doing? Hope you're staying safe during these coronavirus times. You know that we're sheltering here in our home in Georgia right now as the coronavirus passes on through. But we got a special treat for you today. We're taking you back to 2 months ago before this all started, when we got the chance to go to Augusta, Georgia, where the Masters is filmed every single year. I got a chance to find the perfect spot to take our drone up high into the sky and fly over Augusta National Golf Course. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, pound that like button. It just helps us out a ton. Let's get on to this. Hey, so this is the closest public launching point to Augusta National Golf Course. We've got a clear playground here on the east side, right just off the golf course. The golf course is just right over through there. So we're gonna take off, fly it around for a little bit and see what we can get. Are we ready?
Let's go.
That's unbelievable.
Oh, that's cold.
It is cold.
On a nice day, I guess you could enjoy this when you're resting after watching the Masters. So this is the Patridge Inn. It's actually considered one of the best places to stay when you're visiting Augusta, Georgia for the Masters in April. Every year this place books out over and over again as the top hotel because it's really close by the golf course. Patridge Inn was actually established in 1836, so it's hard to believe that it's almost 200 years old. It's older than the Masters too.
So even though this hotel is not directly in the downtown, we're gonna take their shuttle and head over to the downtown. It's just a quick ride, probably like 6 minutes. Well, this hotel is really conveniently located. They've got their windshield wipers going, so it's pretty loud. We're gonna go check out the bee's knees. But it's not open. So we're here at this farmhouse. I think that's what it's pronounced as. And it's a burger joint. They've got some burgers and some fries, some stuff that the kids will enjoy, hopefully. We're gonna go check it out. So it looks like this place is kind of like a Five Guys where you order as you go with burgers, hot dogs, and that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get some stuff now. Places at this hour were closed. We're here a little early. We've got 3 kids, so we came around 4 o'clock. So if you are coming earlier to eat dinner in the downtown, keep that in mind. This place was open, which is awesome. And they had hamburgers, french fries, salad, kind of an American cuisine. You order up at the front and then they bring the burgers and the hot dogs and the food to your table. Little walks, crosswalks, and they all say, wait, wait. Well, now we can go.
Dude,
Aw, thank you.
tiny and they're special.
Aw, thank you, love. Oh, you can't have your bottle. Give Mama your bottle right now. So that's our room right there.
Wow, all the way up there.
So we're gonna head out this morning for breakfast. We stopped over this place called Bodega Ultra, and it's a great place close by the golf course if you're looking for, you know, coffee and a small thing to eat. It's really not a full breakfast, which is what we need right now. So we're gonna go find another place to fill our tummies up this morning. So if you're looking to go to the golf course, this is about as far as you can go. This is a place that requires membership. It's a big, hefty membership.
So if you're looking to go to the Masters at Augusta National Golf Course, or if you want to just drive by and see the golf course, that's the gate that you're going to come face to face with when you pull up. There's no way in around this side. We're going to try the other entrance around the other side just to see, but this is not getting us anywhere so far. Blocked off there. Yes, blocked off there too. I guess we've got only one way in. We're gonna try and get an aerial view from the park at Vineyard Land Park, just on the east side of the golf course. Let's go. Hey, so this is the closest public launching point to Augusta National Golf Course. We've got a clear playground here on the east side, right just off the golf course. The golf course is just right over through there. So we're gonna take off, fly it around for a little bit and see what we can get. Are we ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Getting the opportunity to fly over Augusta National, it's not something that everybody has the opportunity to see. So we were super excited to be able to do it and share it with you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to adventuring with you again soon.